everybody. Wanted to jump on here and give a plug to this awesome company or this tool. It's called the Restorer. It's a new sander that Phil just found for me. I do so much refinishing of like dresser tops, tables. This is going to change my life. So literally I would spend probably 4 hours, maybe more for something this size. I have 4 leaves that go in this table too, of putting this stripping goo on here and scraping, and the goo, anybody who's done that knows it's a nightmare and I really don't like doing it. Watch this. Okay, I have this plugged into my vacuum too. You can see back there, Festool, awesome. This, like I said, 4-hour project. I haven't done this section. It's gonna literally take me 2 seconds. Done! Look at that! So go get yourself a Restorer.